Hi there. This is a science laboratory room. This is a room or a facility where experiments are carried out. There are so many subjects that it requires one to carry out experiments, and they are carried in this room. Therefore, it is important to know how one should conduct oneself in a room like this. In experiments, accidents do happen sometimes. Therefore, there is need for wide exit doors. As you can see here, this is the exit door. It is wide, unlike any other ordinary room. It is to ensure that in cases of accidents, scientists can easily file out without stumbles. It is important that each and every scientist who will be in the room has access to this exit door. Therefore, the arrangement of the furniture in the lab must be made in such a way that it becomes very, very easy for one to access this door without obstructions. Another important safety feature in the lab is the presence of windows. Windows are very important in that they ensure that there is natural light that comes into the lab. Why is light necessary? Light is necessary in that it enables the scientist to make correct observations. Observations such as making or predicting correct color changes, correct temperature changes. In a lab, most of the times we work with experiments that require fire, but if these fires are not controlled, they can result in accidents. Therefore, it is very important to be prepared for such eventualities. With me here are some of the items that can be used to control fire. We have scent. We also have a fire extinguisher, and we also have a fire blanket, and last but not least, water. It is very important when you are quenching fire to know what has caused the fire. What might be taken out by water may not be easy for us to use carbon dioxide, and vice versa. Therefore, before you put out a fire or before you use any one of these, it is important to know the cause of the fire. Minor fires, such as those made from waste materials, such as paper, for example, can be put off by using scent or carbon dioxide. As you can see here, this is fire made out of paper, and these are readily found in the laboratory. So you can use scent to put off the fire. And the smoke can be allowed to escape through the windows that we've talked about earlier on. Again, fires can be extinguished using a fire extinguisher. Fire extinguishers contain carbon dioxide. I am going to demonstrate how one can use a fire extinguisher to extinguish flames such as this. You aim the nozzle and then you press. As you can see, it is very powerful. It is normally used to quench fires that are of great magnitude. For simple fires like this, water can also be used. So you simply aim the water at the base of the fires. As you can see, the fire is extinguished. Not all fires are extinguished by water. For example, as you have witnessed earlier on, an explosion took place and the bruises can come. This is where the first aid kit comes in handy. Instead of being evacuated to the hospital just to be bandaged, I can make use of the first aid kit. Let us see what is inside this first aid kit. There are bandages, latex gloves, and various other things that can be used to quickly mend areas of concern. A scientist cannot run away from carrying out experiments, and some of these experiments are very dangerous. Hence, safety is necessary. That's why all these instruments and apparatus are prepared to make sure that safety is enhanced in the laboratory. Some of them may look very, very small, but they've got a very big effect in preventing accidents and ensuring safety for us all.